In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove auto-add rules in QuickBooks Online. Auto-add rules can be really helpful when you want QuickBooks to automatically categorize and add bank transactions for you. But sometimes those rules stop being useful, or they start miscategorizing things. When that happens, it's important to know how to remove them so you can regain control over what's being added to your books. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click, step by step. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head to the banking section. Depending on your version, this might also be labeled as Bank Transactions, but it's usually found on the left-hand menu. Once you're in the banking area, look toward the top of the page for the tab labeled Rules. This is where QuickBooks stores all of your bank rules, including any that have auto-add turned on. When the Rules page opens, you'll see a list of all your existing rules. Take a moment to locate the specific rule you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, or, if you have a lot of rules, you may want to use the search bar or filters to narrow things down by bank account, transaction type, or other criteria. Make sure you're selecting the correct rule, especially if you have several with similar names. Once you've found the rule you want to remove, look over to the right side of that row in the Actions column. You'll see an option labeled Edit, and right next to it, a small down arrow. Click that down arrow to open a drop-down menu of actions you can take on this rule. From that drop-down menu, choose Delete. This tells QuickBooks that you no longer want this rule to exist, including any auto-add behavior that was attached to it. QuickBooks will then display a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. When you see the confirmation message, click Yes to confirm that you want to delete the rule. After you confirm, the rule will be removed from your list, and QuickBooks will stop automatically applying it to new transactions. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly clean up old or incorrect auto-add rules and keep your bank feeds accurate and easier to review.